Welcome NEET aspirants. In this video, we will discuss question from structural organization in animals. So let's begin now. In which of the following connective tissues the cells secrete fibers of collagen or elastin? So cartilage has collagen, bone has collagen, adipose tissue has collagen, blood is fluid. So there won't be any collagen or elastin, no fibers here. Areolar tissue, yes. So except for D, all options are correct. So we have A, B, C, and E over here. So option number 2 is the answer for this question. So mark it on the OMR sheet. 177, 2. So we took around 40 seconds to attempt this question. So the solution for this question is one single statement from NCERT. And this is the one. In all connective tissues except blood, the cells secrete fibers of structural proteins called collagen or elastin. So this is the reason why you should read between the lines, read every statement of NCERT very carefully. Okay, so the idea of my channel is to go from the MCQ back to your textbook. So now we have attempted this question. Let's revise everything which is given about connective tissue in NCERT textbook. So first one, the classification of connective tissue. Loose. So loose connective tissue includes areolar and adipose tissue. These two come under loose connective tissue. So what are the components here in areolar? There will be fibroblast, and fibroblast, as the name suggests, this cell is going to produce fibers, okay, collagen, elastin, and this forms the structure and structural proteins needed in connective tissue. The role of connective tissue is to connect and support other organs, and this is also the most abundant tissue in complex animals, most abundant. You can get the question, which tissue is most abundant? It is connective tissue. And what is present in areolar tissue? It is fibroblast, and then you will have mast cells and macrophages. Adipose, there will be abundance of adipocytes. These are the fat cells. It stores fat. So excess of food, it won't be excreted out, it will be deposited for future use. So this also has fibroblast in it. So both these loose connective tissue, they are beneath the skin. See, these cells are also secreting ground substances. So in loose connective tissue, there will be more percentage of the ground substance will be more. And this is the reason why it is loose. It is semi-fluid tissue type. Now, in contrast to loose, the dense connective tissue will have lower percentage of the ground substance, and the fibers will be more compactly packed. And the two types which you need to remember is regular, which is in regular, you will have ligament and tendon. So in case of regular, there will be parallel arrangement of fibers. So the regularity is indicated by parallel arrangement. Of the fibers. So ligament, what is ligament? This is the tissue that connects bone to bone. Okay. And this one, tendon, will connect a bone to a muscle. And they both help in the movement, locomotion. Next one, irregular. As the name suggests, there will be random arrangement of the fibers. And this is present in the skin. The other two were, these were beneath the skin, this is in the skin. Very important point. Next one, specialized connective tissue. The three types are blood, bone, and cartilage. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. It has erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. So the plasma, the fluid component of blood, it has important proteins. Albumin, they maintain the osmotic potential, and this will prevent leakage of fluid into tissue. It will prevent edema. And then what is the role of fibrinogen? It helps in clotting. And the last one, globulins, they are the antibodies. They protect from infection. Then bone, important point you need to remember is the type, the cells in bone. They are osteocytes. And these are present in lacunae. So in human beings, as the zygote develops, zygote becomes embryo, and then it will form fetus and then a newborn baby. Bones are not produced immediately. First, it is always cartilage, and then there will be ossification process. That means deposition of calcium phosphate. This is hydroxyapatite, and this is going to harden it, and then finally bones will be produced. So osteoprogenitors, the stem cells, they will form cell types like osteocytes, osteoblast, osteoclast, and they will help in remodeling and mineralization of bone. The last category is cartilage. What is the cell type seen here? Chondrocyte. So this word chondro will be related to cartilage. Okay, osteo related to bone. Hemo word is related to blood. So chondrocytes are present and they also help in the cartilage structure. So where are they present? Tip of nose, okay, tip of nose, and then external ear joints, okay, and then vertebral disc, and limbs and hands. So in the joint area. So if you try to make a fist, how smoothly your fingers will curl up and form a fist. So this smooth movement is because of the cartilage. The classification of cartilage is not given. You only have to remember, in general, cartilages are present in nose, ear, external ear, vertebral disc, and your limb. Basically, all joints, they have cartilage for smooth movement. So that's all about connective tissues. Read the section very well and hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching my video.